You have been given this pen by your parents or someone whom you know in your family, and since your childhood you have been told how to open this pen, and the way to open this pen is just by rotating the cap or the pen, and you keep rotating, and then the pen is going to open. All right, you keep doing that. It takes you on an average maybe 15 to 20 seconds or 30 seconds, and that is how you open your pen every day. Hello beautiful people, this is Ghazal Luthra, your mindset makeover coach, and I help people to take quantum leap in their life. You must be wondering, why am I giving you this example? Because this example is directly related to your mindset. You see, we all are conditioned to work and operate in a particular manner, and we think that that is the manner, that is the best manner to operate with. But let me tell you, these programs that you are operating upon were given to you when you were small children, right? When you were small children, that is the time you all were given this program. But those programs could be working for you at that time. They might not work for you at this time, because now you are a grown-up person. You have different requirements, different environment, and different things to accomplish. So you might require to change certain programs because they are surely not working for you. Coming back to the pen now, if you have been told that you have to keep rotating the cap, and that is how the cap is going to come out, there could be a better way. And that is the better way you're going to discover when you are going to start exploring new things. So there could be a better way. When you are doing this, somebody comes and tell you that, what are you doing? You're not supposed to do this like this, right? And what? So you ask, really? So what is the right way, or what is the easy way? And then the person says, it's simple, just hold the pen and then just put little pressure and release the cap, and that is how the pen opens. And you're totally zapped because this didn't even take 2 seconds, right? So keep thinking that, are you doing the certain things in the right manner? Because trust me, doing the things always in a hard manner is not the right option. So stop or quit trying harder and harder to do things in a particular manner. Tony Robbins also says that if you keep doing the same things, and if you don't do the things differently, then you are not going to get the results differently, right? So if you want to get something in life that you've not got before, you have to do something that you've not done before. That's the only way to achieve what you want in life. Work on your mindset and try doing things that you've not done before. Quit trying harder, start using unconventional ways, explore the opportunities, and trust me, that is the real place from where you are going to take a quantum leap in your life. Bye-bye, take care, and have a great day.